Hey everybody, I finally got through the Get My Payment portal. For the last 10 days, I have tried probably 4 or 5 times to get through the Get My Payment portal, and I finally got through today. So I want to give you guys some updates that might be helpful to you. If you are already a subscriber and a member of our community, welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing for stimulus updates, smart money tips, and words of encouragement. So I'm Stephen Gardner. I'm just giving an update on my own money and trying to be helpful to my community and to YouTube searchers. So today I went into the irs.gov/coronavirus/economic-impact-payments, or just Google the Get My Payment. You're probably not new to this, so I'm just going to skip that. Today I finally went in and I was able to get through. And so for those of you who haven't been able to get through like me, it's just been saying, we can't tell if you're eligible. We can't tell if you're eligible. We can't tell if you're eligible. Well, now I know that I'm eligible, so I just want to share what they wanted. So once I got in there, I had to do my social security, date of birth, and my address, and that's where I kept getting blocked. But today I got through. And the reason I went and checked is I read that they had done a major update last night. And if 80 million people have got their stimulus, then that means 80 million people are not hitting the IRS website. So go try again today and try to get that through. So once I got through, they wanted to know my adjusted gross income on my taxes. They wanted to know if I had a refund or if I had to pay. And then they wanted to know the amount that I paid. And then from there, they just ask you a few questions about your bank, like your routing number, confirm your routing number, your account number, confirm your account number. For me, I got blocked a little bit because they wanted to know, I was entering everything based off my 2019, but it kept saying this data's not lining up, this data's not lining up. So then in my mind, I was like, okay, maybe a human just hasn't gotten to my filing yet. And so I just went back in and redid it based on 2018, my adjusted gross income, how much I sent the IRS, and then all that other information, and boom, it went through. It said, we have everything. You should be getting a payment coming out to you soon. So please go back and check that portal. You may already be scheduled for a paper check, in which case there's not a lot you can do for it, but where you and I don't know where you fall in the paper check schedule, it may be worth going in and entering that anyway, because let's say that you're not scheduled till June or July or August or worse, April of 2021, then this would get them your banking information and possibly speed that up. Otherwise, you'll just get a paper check. Social Security people will start getting money in the next 7 days. SSI, SSDI, VA, the beginning part of May. I just wanted to share that with you. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I will let you know when I get my money. I haven't. But if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a like so that YouTube will share it with other people? And thanks for being a part of the community and subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.